Okay, this is from the workbook on page 95 in question 10. So a straight makes an angle of 58 degree with the main rod. So this is probably the straight. And so you're talking about here. Oops. This is a straight, right? So form an angle over here. So that's highlighted over there, 58 degree. And then a pole on straight at A, this point, is directly opposite of pole B over there. And then with which is in 6.8 meters from the corner. So this is 6.8 over there. And then the straight is in 7.5 meter wide, so 7.5. And then a pole on the main road at C over here is the same distance from the corner B, so which means over here, by writing some information, this is going to be 6.8 meter. Okay, a bird on pole A flies directly to sit on pole C, and how far does it fly? Give answer to 1 dp. Now, there's one assumption that we have to make is the height of the pole A, B, C should be the same. Otherwise, there's no information provided, and so we can't really determine that. So, now based on that, let's actually draw out a triangle. Seems like that's A over there, and that's B over there. So if you connect these two, A and B, so 7.5, and then C over here, roughly, so both actually can have same distance into the corner of the road, 6.8, and we know this is 58 degree. So roughly you can connect them together, so form a triangle as such, and then we asked to find out this distance between A and C. Yeah, okay. Now, what we can do, think about it. So we have 58 degree, and we have 6.8, which means it gives me idea this is isosceles triangle, which means the two base angles should be the same. And then I think, okay, well, this vertex on the top is actually 58. Can we actually figure out the base angle then? Yeah, so it's going to be 180 minus 58. You divide by 2. So that's 122 divided by 2 is 61 degree. So which means this angle is 61 degree over here. Cool, that's fine. What other information that we can provide? What is this line AB? We understand that's the distance between this sub-road and that sub-road. Distance, which means that should be actually perpendicular, right? Otherwise it won't be distance, and if you go in an angle, so hence that should be 90 degree. Okay, so which means we know this angle then. So if we simplify that a little bit, if this is A, this is B, and this is C, we're looking for this one, right? We understand this angle will be 90 plus 61, so that will be 131 degree. And we also know AB is 71.5, but we don't know what BC is, but we want to look for AC, so we have to figure out what BC is. So let's come back over here, have a look at this triangle. So we're going to focus on this triangle. Okay, for this triangle, we know 6.8 and 6.8, two sides. We want to look for BC, and we have this angle which is corresponding or opposite that unknown side. Cool, let's just call BC X. So which means we're going to use which rule? Yeah, cosine rule, because you only have one pair. So hence x squared should be equals to 6.8 squared plus 6.8 squared minus 2 times 6.8 times 6.8 times cosine 58 degree. Right, that will give you x squared. So 6.8 squared plus 6.8, oops, squared minus 2 times 6.8 times 6.8 times cosine 58. Okay, that gives you 43.47 something. Okay, so if you square root that one, x is equals to 6.6. Alright, so now we know this is 6.6. Cool, so that's 6.6. Now can you look for this one, AC? Okay, let's go y. So y squared should be equals to 7.5 squared plus 6.6 squared minus 2 times 7.5 times 6.6 times cosine. Do you know the angle? Yeah, 151 degree. So you have 7.5 squared plus 6.6 squared minus 2 times 7.5 times 6.6. Oops. Times cosine 151. That's actually equals to 186.4. So y is equals to 13.7 meter. Bingo. Thank you.